Hi guys, I'm back again with another video. Now this time we are going to be taking a different path. We'll be also learning the front end of it, which we were doing earlier, but alongside that we'll be learning even the server side of web application. Now for that I'll be using a language called Sql, or also known as SQL. It is developed by Oracle, and to know the history you can go ahead and search it on any web browser and you would get the history of it. Now in this video what I'll be teaching you is how to download a SQL Express edition into your computer, so you can code alongside me and you can learn the server side of web application. Now the software that I'll be using is not the latest edition, but it's good enough for you to learn and approach the database and the server side world of web application. Now as I teach you this, even I'll be learning it. Whatever I learned the previous day, I'll be teaching you that, and we can have that conversation so that both of us learn it together in the comment section. So stick around to see how I download the 11G Express edition into Windows. First, start by going to that web page, and I'll put the link to that web page in the description, so you can go there and you can follow along with me. Now you click on this button out here and it asks you to give the checkbox and you say download Oracle XE112, and for that you have to sign up or you have to sign in. Now since I already have an account, I'll sign in. So once you have it downloaded, it will be downloaded as a zip file. So you click it, open it, and it will have disk 1 inside that zip file. You can extract it if you want, or you don't have to. So you go to disk 1 and then you click on the setup.exe. You double click that and prepares for installing. Give next, and you have to accept the terms in the license agreement. You can choose any location. I'll just let it be wherever it's asking it. Then you say, since you don't have a empty directory created on its own, the username for such a process is Oracle always keeps its username as system or SYS short, and you can give your own password. I prefer it to be the same as the username so I don't forget it so easily. So SYSTEM, and then you confirm your password SYSTEM. Once you're done with that, you give next and you install it. Just give it some time so that it installs it. Now once you've done all the process, you just have to click the finish button and it's installed in your system. So you close it. So you have it here. Get started with Oracle 11G Express Edition. Now once you have all of this setup done, there's only one tool that I will be teaching you how to use it and learn your SQL language, and that's the Sql Command Line. For that we'll go to the search button and we'll search run Sql Command Line, and there are two commands that you have to run at the start so that you know that your computer is completely running properly. So first command is CONNSYS, that's the username, slash and the password that you've given. So we have given it as system @xe as SYSDBA. Okay, that's done. Your system is connected to the SQL server. Now to know that it's properly running, I want you to show all the users here. So select star from DBA_users, and remember, like many other languages like Java, C or any of these languages, you have to have a semicolon in the end. Press enter, and let's say you get a 16-line table and all that. That just says that your SQL is running properly. That's it for this video, a pretty short one and pretty easy one. If you stumble upon any problems during this installation process, please do leave it in the comment section. I'll try to help you out if I know what's the error, or if you don't want to take that path of just waiting for me to reply to your comment, I suggest you just reinstall the whole Oracle 11G Express Edition. Thank you.